Hello everyone, ako si Mark and this will be my first time mag-attempt sa vlogging video log, and let's go with unboxing. Nabili ko to sa Robinsons, 200 peso. Expired na daw kasing rubber but it works. Headless headset, and let's see ang aking reaction. And by the way, its price is only 200 pesos kasi nga yun, sabi nila malagkit na yung yung rubber niya. So unboxing is this. Meron tayong micro USB charger, basic. Wala siyang extra buds, but marami naman tayong stock yan sa previous headset. And eto nga, yes, medyo malagkit na yung rubber na to. I think you can get away with it by punasan mo ng alcohol. Over time tatanggal yung lagkit. Wag lang balahibo ng asa. So mic, volume up or next, power and mode, minus volume down, at saka previous track. And ito yung gusto ko, may micro USB or TFP port para sa mga MP3 files. Mas prefer ko yan kaysa sa Bluetooth. So pause nyo na lang. Ito yung hindi ko nababasahin pero let's see. 85 mega ampere yung battery. Talk time is up to 5 hours, 130 hours standby. Hindi ko alam kung saan yung music. Assume natin 5 or less than 5 hours. Yeah, that's it. May iba-iba siyang color. I think sa akin ay silver. Ito. And you see, 200 pesos. Not bad. Not bad. And yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you like, subscribe, and etc. Blah blah. Thanks everyone. Bye bye.